Subwoofer King production. Alright, this is just another boring average flex video, nothing special. I haven't had time to do any car audio news reports or car audio game wars. Been really busy with, getting jobs lined up because I just graduated and getting some jobs lined up and all that good stuff. It's time to move on to grown folks life. But anyways, let's get on with the boring flex video that everybody does on YouTube. Alright, 15 hertz. I'm gonna try to get these subs hot, see if I can get them hot. I'm finna show you the sound quality subs. These subs have a really good SQ. Man, who this dude is looking at? This dude is like staring at me because I'm talking to myself on camera. Wait, that's a girl. Well, what's your phone number, girl? And she can look at me all she want to. I can look at her too, she fine. But anyways, I'm finna shoot a video how the SQ of these subs, the sound quality of these subs are so good. It's like they produce deep, rich bass, and they're good for SPL too. Watch this. Real good sound quality from these subs. I can't turn them too loud because, I'm in the school parking lot. I want the teachers to get on to me. Fast forward. I don't know if you can hear the sound quality good through the camera, but these subs sound like they produce nice, clean, deep bass, man. I mean, if you like sound quality and SPL, I'll definitely recommend these subs. They're like $2.89 a piece. All Suck Electronics. I don't know if the sound quality is so good. I mean, it's like deep, rich bass.